Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about same chain swaps on Arbitrum. Before moving on, let's talk about Arbitrum. Arbitrum is a layer 2 scaling solution built on Ethereum that makes transactions faster and cheaper while maintaining Ethereum security. Using optimistic rollup to batch multiple transactions, it creates an efficient platform for DeFi operations. As an EVM compatible chain, Arbitrum supports most Ethereum tools and applications at a fraction of the gas fees. Next, let's talk about the platform that's going to help you swap your tokens for any tokens on any chain. Enter Galaxy. Galaxy is a fast and reliable cross-chain exchange to swap your tokens for any tokens on any chain. Let's get into a quick tutorial and I'll show you how to execute cross-chain swaps on Arbitrum using Galaxy Exchange. First, let's head over to galaxy.exchange. Once you're on Galaxy, you'll be greeted with our beautiful landing page. Next, click on Get Started and you'll be greeted with the swap UI. First things first, let's ensure that we have an EVM compatible wallet that will enable us to interact with the Arbitrum blockchain. In my case, I'll be using MetaMask. Let's go ahead and connect our wallet. If you're not already on the Arbitrum chain, make sure to switch to the Arbitrum chain either via your wallet or via the swap UI. And you can do that by clicking on the drop down on the send section of the UI, selecting switch chain, and then finding the blockchain you're looking for. In our case, it's going to be Arbitrum 1. This would prompt your wallet to switch chains. Alright, great. Next, we're going to select the token that we want to swap. In our case, we want to swap USDC to USDT on Arbitrum. So on the send section, we're going to select USDC. Then we're going to enter an amount. In this case, I want to swap 5 USDCs. Now on the receive section, we want to make sure that our blockchain is also set to Arbitrum. That indicates to Galaxy that we are trying to execute a same chain swap. So on the receive section, we're going to select the USDT token as the token we want to receive after swapping our USDCs. Next, Galaxy is going to give me a list of routes that's going to make my transaction possible. And as you can see, Galaxy has determined that OpenOcean would be the best route to get my USDCs across. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then next, I'm going to click on Start Transfer. Galaxy then proceeds to begin the transaction by prompting my wallet for approvals. And after approving and waiting for a few seconds, my transaction is finally complete. So that's how you execute same chain swaps on Arbitrum via Galaxy. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you in the next one. Peace.